Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to update and delete products from our Shopify custom app. So in app.product.jsx, uh, we have the model component from Polaris, and then we have few use states like active and set active state. Then we have editing a product state. Then we have title and set title state and price and the set price state and toaster, which will show us the message when we update the product. And then we have handle model change and toggle toaster functions, and then handle edit function. Here we will call these use state hooks. And then we have handle delete function, where we will submit the delete request at app.product/delete file. And similarly, for updating the product, we will send the request app.product.edit file. Then we have use effect to reload the products again. And in the bottom, we have modal code, open active, on click handle model change, and on cancel handle model change again. And similarly for the delete button, this is the model code where we will show the price and title. And now let's go to the app.product.edit file. This file you need to create for editing the product. So here we have two component, two modules like JSON and authentication for making the request, and we have a action function. This will handle our request for editing, and we will get the admin credentials. And then we have the forms data, which is coming from product page. We will have the ID, title, and variant ID and price, and we save them into a variable. Then we will make the GraphQL query to update the product. And in the GraphQL query, we will pass the mutation update product and product ID and product title. In the case of price update, we will handle that with this query. And here are the variables. We have ID and title, then we have ID and price. So we can also update the price, and we can also update the title. And then we have the response. We will return the response. Similarly, for deleting the product, we need app.products.delete file, and it is here we have the same function, action function, and we'll handle the request, and we will get the request admin credentials. Then we have the form data, and we need only product ID to delete the product. And this is the GraphQL query for deleting the product. And after that, we will return the success message. And I will share this code with you. And let's try to run this code on our app. And if I click on the first product, our pop-up will open, and here we can update the title. Let's say new title, and save that. Once you save, a pop-up will toaster will open, product update successfully, and you will see we have a new title. And if I update again and remove the new title and update, now you can see we have the old title back. Now let's try to update the price. Right now it's 30, and let's make it 50. Save that. And as you can see, now we have a price 50. And let's try to change both of them together. Test and 50, and this should be 100. Yes. And as you can see, the title is changed, the price is changed. Now let's try to delete this product. Click delete. And as you can see, that product is no longer here. So this is how you can update and delete products from your custom Shopify app. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.